Okay, question or exercise 14C. Just paste that onto the page. See it. Where's it gone? Oops, down here. Sorry, let me just move it. That's better. Get it a little bit bigger. Alright, this one's all about evaluating using tan. Now, just a quick recap from the book. Paste in here. When you're dealing with tangent or tan, the relationship with sine and cos is that tan of the angle is sine of the angle over cos of the angle. That's the formula there. So you can work out what sine and cosine is, and then work out what the tangent is. So in this first example, our axis is to evaluate tan of pi. So this is 14C, number 1A. It's saying what's the tan of pi on the unit circle. So again, this when it says pi, it's talking about radians, not degrees. So on the unit circle, if you go around pi radians, now it's plus pi radians, so we're going that way, you go around to here, because a full rotation is 2 pi. That's y and x. So from the previous exercise, we know that here y equals 0, x equals -1. We also know that the y value is given by sine of the angle, so that's the angle that's swept out there, and x gives us cos of the angle. Also knowing that sine of the angle over cos of the angle equals tan of the angle, we can say that substituting for sine and cosine, sine being 0 and cos being -1, so 0 divided by 1, rearranging slightly, we can say that tan of theta is 0. So it's sort of like a two-step approach to get to tan. You can't get there directly. Alright, next one is B. We want to find tan of minus pi radians. So on the unit circle, y and x, it's saying we've gone around from this point, now it's negative pi, which means we're actually going to go around clockwise, and a rotation of pi is halfway around, so we'll go around, it'll sweep out to here. So at this point, y is 0, x is -1, y is given by sine of the angle swept out, x is given by cos of the angle swept out, and knowing that tan is tan of angle, I'll write this out once more, over cos of angle, so sine of the angle is 0 and cos of the angle is -1, which means that the tan of the angle is 0. Go back to black. C, we have tan of 7 pi over 2. So if I wanted to work out where that would be on the unit circle, I'd probably rewrite that slightly, saying it's the same as 3.5 pi radians, which is tan of 2, oops, 2 pi plus 1.5 pi. So we're factoring out the 2 pi, because any rotation that gives us 2 pi gets us back where we started again. So on the unit circle, and again also noting that this is positive, so you're going that way. On the unit circle, you go around 2 pi rotations, which is back to where you started, plus another 1.5 pi, or 3 over 2 pi, which is 3/4 of the way around. So that gets us to there, where y is -1, x is 0, y is given by sine of the angle, x by cos of the angle. So in this case, tan is given by sine over cos. Sine is -1 over 0, and warning, Will Robinson, internet crashing. You can't do that. You can't divide by 0. So you just say undefined, meaning I'm not quite sure what that is. I'm not yet at that level of maths. It will let me work that out. So no actual numeric answer for that one. Let me make a bit of space. And D is tan of -2 pi. So we know that on the unit circle, a rotation of 2 pi goes all the way around. And in this case, it's -2 pi, so going clockwise. So it's going to go sweep out all the way around back to here. X, so here y is 0, x is 1. Y is given by, sine of the angle, x by cos of the angle, and tan, sine over cos, which is 0 over 1, which is 0. E, what is tan of 5 pi over 2. Again, I'll factor that just to get out how many 2 pi's are in there. No apple pies. So that's saying 2.5 pi. So that's really like saying, function E doesn't want to go away. Oh, there we go. Tan of 2 pi plus half a pi. So on the unit circle, again, it's positive, so we're going anti-clockwise. It will sweep out a whole rotation, plus, now pi by 2 radians is 1/4 of a rotation around to here, y and x. So here y is 1, x is 0, y given by sine of the angle, x by cos of the angle. So tan, sine over cos, so that's 1 over 0. So again, error. You can't have divide by 0. It's undefined. Turn down E, F. This one is the tan of -pi by 2. Okay, so on the unit circle, starting here, it's negative, which means we're going to go this way around, we're going to go clockwise, and it's half a pi, which is 1/4 of a rotation. So here y is -1, x is 0, y is given by sine of the angle, x is given by cos of the angle. So tan of minus pi over 2 is equal to sine over cos, so sine -1 over 0, and that's another undefined.